You may be wondering what am I going to teach today, right? So in this, today is your first class of English speaking. Okay, English speaking, and this is your first class. What I am going to do in this, so in this video I am going to convert the Hindi sentences into English so that you can able to understand it better. And then next, what I need from your side, please try to speak at home and please try to learn some new words. And then, for example, just it's not a kitchen work, children, it's a kitchen chores. So that's the differences you should know. Okay, so without any delay, let's start it. And then I made one thing over here, that is let's learn it, hashtag let's learn it. This ये चिपका लो अपने दिमाग में. Okay, you should have to fix it in your mind. Hashtag let's learning. By hook or crook, you have to learn. Daily I am going to upload, or else alternate days I am going to upload, but you have to learn it. You have to watch the first what you have to do, just to watch the video, make a note down of each sentences, and then try to speak. That's it. Nothing. I don't want anything from your side. I just need your time only to speak and to learn. Okay, I know you are so busy, like you are so busy more than Ambani, so you don't have a time, but it's my request. Okay, so let's start the video. The first sentence in Hindi, and one thing, like my other students can able to complain me, ma'am, why you are not teaching in Kannada? You can convert that language Kannada into English. Yes, my dear, I can, but my fear is I may make a mistake. Okay, so while speaking in Kannada, okay, I will make a mistake. So that's the thing, I plan not to use the Kannada words. I know you can able to understand Hindi plus English, so that's the reason I choose this way. Okay, I hope you understand things. So the first sentence in Hindi, उसके चक्कर में मत पड़ो. उसके चक्कर में मत पड़ो. In English, don't get involved with him. Don't get involved with him. वो सीधा साधा नहीं है. वो सीधा साधा नहीं है. In English, he is not a straight shooter. He is not a straight shooter. आप जो चाहते हो वो करो. आप जो चाहते हो वो करो. In English, do whatever you wanna do. Okay, do whatever you wanna do, man, in Hindi Big Boss, right? So do whatever you wanna do. Next, मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा या छोड़ूंगी. In English, I will leave no stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned. Then, लाल मत टपकाओ. लाल मत टपकाओ. In English, don't roll. Don't roll. Don't droll. Okay, next, जैसे को तैसा. जैसे को तैसा. In English, tit for tat. Tit for tat. ये हुई ना बात. ये हुई ना बात. In English, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. यहाँ आसपास कोई पार्क है. यहाँ आसपास कोई पार्क है. In English, is there a park nearby? Is there a park nearby? मुझे शांति से सोने दो. मुझे शांति से सोने दो. In English, let me sleep in peace. Let me sleep in peace. Let me sleep in peace. Okay. वो हमेशा मेरे काम में टांग अड़ाता रहता है. वो हमेशा मेरे काम में टांग अड़ाता रहता है. In English, he always interfere in my business. He always interfere in my business. He always interfere in my business. Next, मैं उसे जानती भी नहीं. मैं उसे जानती भी नहीं. In English, I don't even know him. I don't even know him. I don't even know him. बस यूं ही. बस यूं ही. In English, just like that. Just like that. Oh. And then, ये कपड़ा सुखड़ गया है. This cloth has shrunk. This cloth has shrunk. Okay? So let me know in the comment section which sentence did you like. Okay? Then, मुझे अभी भी उसके लफ्ज़ याद हैं. मुझे अभी भी उसके लफ्ज़ याद हैं. In English, I still remember his words. I still remember his words. I still remember his words. Okay, the way of speaking. Next, मुझे उससे बात करनी है. मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I wanna talk to him. I want to talk to him. I wanna talk to him. Instead of saying want to, you can use wanna. I wanna talk to him. WANNA. Okay. Next, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. In English, it's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. Then, अफवाहें मत फैलाओ. अफवाहें मत फैलाओ. In English, don't spread rumors. Don't spread rumors. इसे रोका नहीं जा सकता. इसे रोका नहीं जा सकता. It can't be stopped. It can't be stopped. It can be stopped. तुम मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो. तुम मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. Okay. Next. दिल पे मत लो. दिल पे मत लो. In English, don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. So yeah, this is the 20 sentences that I converted into English. I hope you enjoy it. But let me hold on. So let me give you a tip. What's the tip? I know my students are enjoying these sentences and they are listening it, as well as you are note downing the points. But I thought to use the extra 5 words. So that's the tip. So here extra 5 sentences for my dear students. Okay. मैं निकलने ही वाला था. मैं निकलने ही वाला था. In English, I was just about to leave. I was just about to leave. मूवी शुरू होने वाली है. मूवी शुरू होने वाली है. The movie is about to start. The movie is about to start. Next, ये अजीब इत्तेफाक है. ये अजीब इत्तेफाक है. It's a strange coincidence. It's a strange coincidence. मुझे कॉफ़ी की लत है. मुझे कॉफ़ी की लत है. In English, I am addicted to coffee. I am addicted to coffee. So, let me know how many of my students are addicted to the coffee, tea. Okay? Then, मुझे भाषण मत दो. मुझे भाषण मत सुनाओ. Okay? मत सुनाओ. In English, don't lecture me. Don't think I am giving lecture. Okay? Don't lecture me. So yeah, this is the end, and let me know in the comment section which sentence did you like and which sentence you're going to use from today. Okay? So till then, take care, respect your parents. Tata. Thank you.